Hi YouTube, this is Nas Love by Nas Beauty. Today I'm bringing you guys a quick recipe. It's a dipping recipe that contains artichoke and spinach. So very cheap, and we're gonna start on the ingredient. So you're gonna need 1 stick of butter, sour cream, cheese cream, and artichoke. You could get the frozen one or either the canned one. They all taste like, it doesn't make a difference. You're gonna need garlic, 2 cloves of garlic. So I'm putting 3 because it's kind of tiny and I like garlic. So if you don't like garlic, go ahead to just put 2. And 2 cups of Parmesan. That's the Parmesan, but you need to get 2 cups of Parmesan. And spinach, cut spinach, it's better. So we're gonna start on the, on our dip. Mostly it's a good dip for the kids. I use this the chips for the dipping. It's cheaper, so you could get any brand, any kind, it's fine. People that like watching football, this will be handy for you guys. Very cheap, and you make a bowl of dip that you could use for for the whole season. Not for the whole season of football, but you could use it, even 2 to 3 times. It depends on how many people are using the dip. So it is so delicious. So which you're gonna need probably to make a lot. So we got the butter going. You don't need to wait. I forgot cheese cream. You need 8 ounces of cheese cream, 16 ounces of the sour cream, and the artichoke you need 14 ounces of the artichoke. And I already said 2 cups of the Parmesan cheese, and the spinach you could put the whole bag. So make sure if it's frozen, squeeze all the excessive the excessive water in the spinach, and throw it in there. So we're gonna go ahead and put the sour cream. Oh, I'm sorry, cheese cream, sour cream, cheese cream. Yeah. You could cut it in cubes, but mine is kind of, like it was in the fridge, but I left it outside for quite a while. Now it's like soft. No big deal. We're gonna just scrape this or give it to one of your kids to lick. Even you could lick on it. Who cares? It's your food, your stuff. Lick. But because I'm cooking, you can't lick nothing. Your hands has to be clean as clean can get. So we have the cheese cream going. Now we're gonna pour the sour cream. Oh, look at that. You put the whole thing.
It's because it was outside. I left it outside for a while. That's why it gave me kind of a hard time. But that's why we have this spatula.
Make sure you scrape the little jar good, because everything counts. While this one it's melting, mix it all together. This is how the mix should look like. And then just go ahead, add on your 2 cups of Parmigiano, and just stir it until it melts. Then we're gonna show the good stuff part. So while this one is melting, I'm gonna take the artichoke This is how the artichoke looks like. This one is the artichoke. You could go ahead and just give a chop it to, you know, a little small size or divide it by 2. Okay, this is the artichoke. Just you know, chop it not to a small consistency, just you know, leave some chunks. Whatever the size is, you could, you know, divide it by 2 or 3. It just depends on your own self. So put the artichoke in there, give it a mix. Voila, this is how it has to look like. It's so delicious. This is the spinach. Squeeze it, you know, wash your hands and hold it, squeeze all the excessive water, you know, excessive amount of water. Okay, we already put the spinach, you know, mix it well. Now this is the last step. If you have that little garlic squeezer that squeeze, do it, but me, I don't like that little thingy, you know. I just think it's a waste of just garlic for no reason. Just be careful, you know, don't scrape your finger. So this one is a jalapeno. It's a very spicy pepper. If you like spicy, this one is optional, you know, optional. So I'm gonna just put a little bit because I have kids that like this dip. We don't want to make it spicy, just to give it that little kick, and that's it, you know. And you need to wash your hands, you know, because I already cleaned my chopping board, so I'm gonna just wash my hands. Okay, this is how the dip looks like. Just pour it in the jar or whatever bowl you want. So please do not cook the spinach to turn, I don't know, brown. We don't need that. The spinach has to stay green, okay? Greenish. So that's some dip. The fantastic dipper. Ooh. So let me show you how you use this dipping. So you could put a little bit on your plate or just whatever, you know, where you guys want to use it, like that, and voila. It just takes like about 10 minutes. It doesn't take long. So here to YouTube, to all my viewers. Oh, still hot, you know, but you can. Thank you for watching. Please try this dip, especially for the kids. They're gonna love it. Love it, love it, love it. Healthy for the kids. For grown-ups also, it's healthy. Football day, make your dip, sit down, watch football, enjoy. So thank you for supporting my channel. Thank you for watching. Leave the comments below. Do not forget to subscribe. Thumbs up if you like my my recipe. So thank you for supporting my channel, and see you in the next video to come. Bye bye.